the ISS's lifespan and aging infrastructure. The International Space Station was never meant to last forever. When it was first designed in the 1990s, engineers planned for a lifespan of about 15 years, enough time to prove that living and working in space was possible on a large scale. But here we are more than 25 years later, and the ISS is still orbiting Earth, a testament to human ingenuity and international cooperation. The truth is, the station's hardware is showing its age. Constant exposure to the harsh environment of space, extreme temperatures, radiation, and micrometeoroid impacts, takes a toll on its structure and systems. Over time, critical components like solar panels, life support systems, and communication equipment degrade, making maintenance more challenging and costly. NASA and its partners have had to send up countless repair missions, replacing parts and upgrading systems to keep the ISS operational. However, there's only so much that can be done when the station's core modules were never designed for indefinite use. As the ISS continues to age, the risk of system failures increases, raising safety concerns for the astronauts living aboard. This aging infrastructure is a major reason why space agencies are now planning to retire the ISS within the next decade. The station has served far beyond its expected lifespan, but the realities of wear and tear, combined with evolving space exploration goals, mean it's time to look toward the future and new platforms that can carry humanity's presence in space even further.